Hey, what's going on? If you have been following me on my hashtag gold swag, I just want to use this stuff to demonstrate a little bit about my argument to back why it's simpler to mine gold where there's no humans. So you're sure you're going to find what you're looking for, which is metal. Now, it's about 384,000 kilometers from Earth to the moon. That's pretty close. If you know about aviation, most aviation requires something like this, a propeller that spins and provides thrust to move the wind and provide pressure so your vehicle will propel. I'm just going to break down my demonstration with a one modal. How you can add thrust to a one modal do-it-yourself aircraft, and then you can research and see how much that works and what then will be required if you're planning to try to send something to the moon to take photos of your best possibility of retrieving actual gold. So let's just take a look here at this model plane closer. And as we said, the propeller has to be somewhere around the back of the plane around here, right? This thing in a small enough. And I'm going to show you flip this plane and show you my small little demonstration. If you add these propeller, how they would move. Sorry about this. I'm doing this with one hand while I'm holding the camera, so bear with me. But you'll have a better idea when this video is finished how simple it is if you're going to build a perpetual. How simple it is if you're going to build something to provide thrust and get up to the moon. So what I have here is a battery. I showed you the propeller, why you need that to get things going. And this is just my plane upside down, so I can show you the one engine. You have this thing, the propeller, attached to these. Let's say that's this right here, and that's another one on the left and right. So let's put the battery on this plane, and you will see how simple it is to add thrust to move something in the air as a simple vehicle. So let's put the battery. I have here a modal, one modal, and I said these represent propellers attached to the back of the plane. So here we go. I'm just finding trouble placing the holding the camera while I put the battery to the propeller. Let me see if I can do it with one, and I'm normally pretty good. There, moved out of place. But just to show you, that's a one propeller. Moving the gears that you need is the modal to propel your your vehicle. So let's take a look at the plane again from sideways. That's how it look, right? So you want to provide some thrust down here, down at the bottom part of the plane. Let's flip it upside again. That just worked to show you my demonstration. Let me put it again, and you'll see it's simple to work, put thrust. It's not impossible to mine gold, but you got to study and test and know what you're doing. And obviously this